Well. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art.
What is up? What is up? Crazy Chris in the house. Daryl, two-time Dean, Oni. Yeah, what's up, my little pine cones? What is up? Tommy Stark. Dope. What is up? What is up? What is up? How did everyone do today? Tony Gold, what is up? Hopefully we have a good evening. Let's go. We'll try our best. So today was a pretty good day for me. My MyFunded Future accounts that I was trading last night, they took a pretty big hit on stream. Some of them did get sacrificed, but I did do very well in my pro account. So not too bad. How am I doing in the Wheelins tournament? So I'm at about 12,000 right now. Yeah, so I was up about 16,000, gave back some today. So yeah, I peaked at 26,000, and then now I'm down around 12,000. So yeah, I'm trying to keep up with them guys. It's tough. Like, man, it's tough. Putting up big numbers. So tomorrow we'll give it another shot, or maybe tonight. I don't know. Is anyone else in it? Just one trade today for you. Almost at payout level again. Let's go, Daryl. Just need to trade trade responsibly. Yeah. That's all you gotta do. Guys, you're just coming in, smash that like button. Let's send those YouTube algorithms on tilt. Let's let everyone know that we are live. All right. Let's see if I can get the chat down here on this screen. I like it better down here. What is this? Huh. What's up, Nate? 950 on the Phidias, 25k static. Let's go. Nothing like a 200% gain in one day. That's being said. I've applied for jobs recently, unfortunately. Oh, that's cool, Nate. It's all good. Yeah, 200% gain in one day is nuts. I was actually talking about that earlier with my trading buddy. I was like, you know, we like some of our trading and stuff, like the boom and bust stuff, especially with the competitions, it's like insane. You know, when you're making 1,000, 2,000%, 3,000%, like in one day, it's just absolutely insane. And I think that, you know, having a slower equity curve, you know, is more realistic. I mean, let's just say you were up like 20 grand. Starting with a $10,000 account, you're up like 20 grand or more, you know, for the year. You know, it's crazy amount of percentage. But in futures, it's like, you know, we make $1,000, $2,000 in a day. So, yeah, it's crazy. What's up, Chris B? You rarely trade New York? Oh, interesting. Hey, Miss K, what is up? Miss K used to be Corey, used to be formerly known as Corey, formerly known as Futures, Feline Futures. What is up? What is up? Yo, Pro Trader, what is up? Tommy Stark. Gonna continue his short? Let's go. Oh, thank you so much for the sub, Pro Trader. Kato in the house. Max, what is up? Alright, so I did pretty good today. So I started 3 trade day accounts. Some more evals. Pretty much hit max consistency with them. 906, 876, and 851. So with trade day, you got to stay on to 30% consistency. That's one of the things. I wanted to show you guys something, if I can find it. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see this. All right. So I found this online. I found it pretty interesting. So it talks about win percentages and like where you're at. So let's just say you, for instance, you have a 50% win rate, and over the course of 100 trades, the chances of you getting stopped out, say 6 times in a row is 78%. And then you see the other percentages, right? So let's just say you have a win rate of around 70%. The chances you're going to get stopped out, that you could get stopped out 3 times in a row with a systematic trade, is 93%. And then you see it drops right off, 55% for getting stopped out 4 times, 5 times 21%, and 6 times in a row 7%, and then so on. I just found this pretty interesting. So it's depending on your win rate. This is why, like, when you double up size when you like losing and stuff, is the reason why we blow accounts, right? Because even if you have a 70% win rate, you know, the chances you could have three losses in a row is 93% sometimes. So these are the losses up here. But yeah, I just found this interesting, this little thing. I'm gonna post it in the Discord. But yeah, I just thought that was interesting. That is from Edgeful. Alright, market's opening up here in about 10 seconds. Good luck, everyone. I need some more upbeat music than this. I need that much more upbeat, but... Oh, getting to push up. Getting a little push up here. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Getting a little push down on gold. Yo, Rhonda, is market gonna move tonight? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think the market's been a little weird. I mean, we're getting some pretty good movements of, you know, pretty good flush, but not a lot of, like, you know, back and forth range and stuff. Today it just pushed down and consolidated sideways. You know, with the no news, it's kind of been a little weird. I'm actually going to try a long here off the outside bar. We pushed down, we held that low, and then we pushed up out of the outside bar on the market close. So I'm just going to try it here. Stop at the low. See if we can get a little squeeze. Forgot I was on NQ. I always chart with NQ even if I'm in MNQ. I'm in micros right now. Is that with the one R? So no, not really, Fred. It's whatever you actually trade. So whatever your risk is, it's just showing that like no matter what you trade, like so your winning percentage can be, you can have that many losses in a row. So whether you trade a 2R or 1R or whatever, it's just like whatever that win percentage is. Have I used alpha futures before? No, I have not. How's the tournament going? So I peaked at $25,000 in the PW tournament, and today I was up around 16,000. My total P&L was around 16,000, and then I slipped down to about 12,000, and then I stopped. So I'm doing okay, but definitely not enough to like win it, unless I have if I finish this week, some monster days. But we'll see what happens. Anthony, what is up? Cody, only 700. Oh, $700 is awesome. Yeah, 700 is awesome. You make $700 a day. That's awesome. Oh, Orlando. Yeah, no, it is insane. Like gold, like usually it's a hedge against, a market turn down, right? Gold, hedge against inflations and all that stuff. And then all of a sudden it's like gold's at all-time highs, silver's at all-time highs, oil, YM, ES, Russell, NQ, everything's just running all-time highs. It's very strange. Got your Lucid account? Let's go. If you guys want to give Lucid a try, you can use code PINE. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm in 9 micros, max, across 3 counts. Sherry, what is up? How many lots? Oh, 10. Yeah, that was on day 1. I was up 25,000 or something on day 1. 10 lots. What's good with Lucid? I don't even know, Fred. I haven't even... Such a horrible affiliate. I don't even know. I haven't really I hadn't had a chance to look into them yet. Sorry. I gotta start trading with them. That's what I need to do. Let's take a look. Must be a promo? Yeah, exactly. You know when they have a good promo. Man, I didn't even know what Legends was. So they have direct to funded accounts. I think that people like that. It's pretty much standard with the direct to funded accounts. 20% consistency. You have to trade minimum of 8 days to get to a payout. You can have up to 5 accounts. You can have flip days. No minimum days of profit objectives. see what the payout rules are. That's what's most important, right? Oh, come on. I was looking for like 10 points off this push here. To be eligible for a payout with Lucid, traders receive 100% of the 10,000 in payouts of the first 10,000. Then it goes to 90-10. So you got to trade to 8 days. Flip days are allowed. Can stay within under 20% consistency on the straight to fundeds. And your profit goal on a 50K account is 3,000. $3,000 and you can take 2,000. Minimum payout is 500. No payout windows. And the funds will be deducted from your account within a few minutes. So fast payouts, I guess. So yeah. Woof. Well, that didn't work. Quick down 80 bucks. I do, McDaddy. It's code Pine. Oh, nice, Oni. All right, I stopped out on that. Check out gold here. Gold pushing higher. So I tried that trade there. Basically, just a break of this outside bar on the close. I've been noticing that it works pretty good, so I tried it. But we'll wait now. Harami came in and stuffed it. Too busy typing here and missed on my gold long. That's how I feel, Moni, sometimes. I'm reading the chat and I go, oh, damn it, I missed the trade, but that's all right. Thank you for answering those questions, though. I appreciate you. That was awesome. I have a great chat, great community. They know more about this stuff than I do. Man, it's hot. It turned this fan up. Gold pushing higher. NQ right back to the VWAP. Swept both sides of this little range here and then it's right back in the middle. Hopefully we just don't go sideways. Check my email here. What's up, Jay Styles? What is up? Oh, nice, Oni. I did good today, John. Yeah, pretty good. I did get beat up on some My Funded Futures accounts, but overall they're looking pretty decent. I'll pull them up. I did lose a few. Pro account's looking nice. Considering maybe trying to take it to live. So yeah, I'm down to 3 My Funded Futures accounts at the moment. 50% consistency. I bought a new one of these new scale plans that you can see up on the screen there. They're a lot like My Funded, the Top Step accounts, where you can withdraw 50% of your total profits after you get 5 days of $100 or more. So in my opinion, it's better than Top Step. It's cheaper. And you only have to make 5 days of $100 or more. And you can withdraw 50% of your profits. So, and their payouts are much faster. So, it's kind of it's a pretty good deal at the moment. So, yo, TJP, what is up? Mosh, what is it going on? Doing all right. Franya, good morning from Australia. Let's go. My Funded Futures, Peter. Yeah. Right here, that deal up on the screen, right about here. So that's the scale plan. So you gotta make sure you hit the free Flex add-on, and that right there is, so it's 50% consistency for the evaluations. And then once you're funded, there's no consistency, and you can, if you make $12,000 total profits and you have 5 days of $100 or more, you can take out a max payout of $6,000 per request. So you can request 50%. So it's the same. It's pretty much the same as Top Step. Design, what is up? What's up, Cap? Yeah, smash that like button. Thank you so much. But yeah, and it's cheaper. So it's $127 all in on the 50K account. So Top Step costs you over 200. And use code PINE. Appreciate you. This is gonna chop all it. Yeah, probably, Tommy. Yeah, I've gone right sideways now. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold too. I'll keep an eye on gold. Just gonna place the Discord link in the chat if you guys want to join the Discord. All right, gold kind of pulling back here. Nasdaq. How'd you guys do today? I want to know what you guys did. J Trade, my fund future pays so fast they do. Yeah, 2 seconds. Literally, I took a few trades and couple on stream last week, and within 2 seconds we got paid. So, and not only got paid, like right to the bank account, which is amazing. You like trading gold there in Asia? Yeah. Lately it's been moving really well. I'm gonna keep an eye on it on the side here. We'll look for an inside bar or something to trade. Up 2,200 on 150K. Let's go. That's a good day. Yeah, I gotta trade you on an eval. Yeah, I mean you gotta trade it for 5 days anyway, so that's good. Did good, but probably violated the apex inconsistency position size rule. I didn't realize I was in 5 minis. Oof. Yeah. Oh, let's go TJP. That's okay. Yeah. Who knows? I definitely have done that before. Lots of times. Hey, you're up 8,000 in your challenge account. Let's go, TJP. You're still in the Patrick Whelan BDH one, the BDH challenge account. Is that the one you're talking about? You have 14,000. Let's go. You beat me right so far. Gold looking like it's kind of just doing the grindy up higher. 4,011 and a half. Absolutely amazing. Above 4,000 now. Where are we going? 420s? 4,020 maybe? For the old gold. What is up, design? I'm sure I'm way at the bottom of the list. Yeah. You know, it's a little unfortunate that people could keep joining. Because with the daily loss limit rule, so if you hit 5,000, you're out. You breach it. It's a hard breach. But then, but more and more people can keep joining, right? Which, you know, they'll still have to do catch up to the leaders. But if it was just a set a number and then they weren't allowed to join anymore, I'd like that much better. Hey, what's up, Donna? Market's a little slow right now, for sure. Pray for wisdom, you're up 19. Let's go. That's awesome. Did the new... Let's see. Is it all updated? Let me check it out. Yeah, pray for wisdom. 31,622.74. Let's go. Nice. That's great. What indicator am I using? So this is Tradeovate. The indicator, all indicators I have is the VWAP. It's called the CE VWAP. This line here. And then LDT inside outside bars. You can see here. It's all in the community indicators. That puts in an inside bar and a harami and the outside bars on the 5 minute or whatever time frame you want it to be. And then this indicator right here, the purple, dark purple candles, is Ed of the Woods Harami. And that puts in Harami candles. And that's it. Caught the short today. Yeah, that's people in the lead definitely caught the shorts. Yeah, I caught the short today too, but not in that account. Yeah, unfortunately. I caught it in this account. It's my Funded Futures Pro account. Caught some of the short. Up to $3,336 on this Pro account. So you can get a payout every 14 days, and you only need to trade it once a week. So, and I'm already over the buffer, so I'm good. So basically I can just flip it next week and then take a payout, but I don't know. I'll probably just keep trading it though. We'll see. Try to build it up maybe. Who's number one? Matt Cowart. Another YouTuber. In first place. 76,000. Here's the leaderboard right here. Miss Janica was in first place yesterday. Let's check out our friend Pray for Wisdom. Right there, number 19, 31,622, trading inside bars. He watched my video, trading inside bars, made 31,600. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, no, awesome, great. Right there, TJP. We're right up there. We can get in the top 50 tomorrow, no problem. I'm at 12,000 bucks. Yeah, Net Baba. I'm probably in like, I would guess like 100th place. Yeah, a little unfortunate. I peaked out at 25,000. So I was like, I would have been right around here. So pretty good. Who's number 50? Yeah, I was on the leaderboard yesterday. Yeah, I was like, at one point, I was sitting pretty good. Let's see. Sticky. Well, I don't know who's 50, but 49 is sticky. 19,893. It's right there, TJP. You're right there. You're just happy if you don't blow up? Yeah. Good, nice trading though. No, if you're at 18,000, you're right there. Now the market wants to move up. All right, triggered in long here. Oh shit, I'm in 3 contracts. 3 contracts on this one account. I thought I was in 3 or 3. I thought I was in my trade day with 3 minis, 1 mini each. Oh well. Let's see what we can do. Yo, what's up, Lambo? The Haramis, Mr. Harami. How he reset account and made 70,000 already? I know, crazy, isn't it? Because it does say one active day traded, so he blew up yesterday or last night or this morning. Taking 2 off there. See if we can get a push up through the 80s. And take it off there. Up 325. There's the smack to the 80s, but probably caught the top short of 300 points almost today. Yeah, Net Baba. And what is the Haramis? So a Harami candle is basically this purple candle right here. So the body opens and closes within the body of the previous candle. So what they do is they call this the mother candle. And Harami means pregnant in Japanese. So what it does is it pushes up above, it opens and closes. The next candle opens and closes within the body of this mother candle. And the way I trade it is I would go short here. I would place a stop here. and then I would target the low of the mother candle, or at least the body. And as you can see, it like this trade right here, towards the end of the day, it worked perfectly. So you would have went short here, took profit here, and stop would have went there, and you can see it worked perfectly. So that's the Harami. You can see it worked here as well. Here, you would enter here, stop goes here, and then you would have targeted here. So a pretty bad R&R on that one. Some people actually will target higher. Some people actually get triggered in where I usually take profit. But so yeah, it works pretty decent sometimes. I find it works really well with YM, so I've been trading it a lot with YM. The funny thing is, like today I kind of was like, you know, I'm gonna trade it on YM, kind of dedicate it a little bit to an account. First one I got into, stopped out. Second one I get into, I got stopped out. Third one I got into, it was a nice little win. And I'm just targeting like 1-to-1. So yeah, the first two trades, when I was just like, I go, that's just my luck, you know. So I've been watching it a lot. So today I started to actively trade it on the YM, but oh well, not bad. But yeah, must have got 300 points. TBT 25k eval. I'm at 26,627. Do I need to lose 127? Yeah, you need yeah, what is it? 26,500, right? Yeah, so are you under the 50% consistency? Not 50% consistency, but yeah, 50% consistency. I was thinking of trade day for a minute. Yeah, Zane, exactly. As long as you're under 50% consistency, you're good. So your largest day wasn't over 1,500 bucks, or no, sorry, 25k, 750. Right? Yeah. You're trading YM all week? Yeah, I'm gonna be trading it a lot more. Not during nighttime though. It kind of sucks to trade it. I find it crappy to trade at night. So I'm down 80 bucks on my trade day accounts. I am up 325 on this My Fund of Future scale plan. What average R&R do I use? So inside bars, so the first inside bar in the morning, I generally look for 20 points or 1-to-1. I'm pretty much a 1-to-1 trader. That's usually what I average out. I do do a little discretion when I take profits, but I usually average out around 1-to-1. Usually around 60 to 70% win rate. And as long as I don't oversize, I usually do pretty well. That's usually my biggest problem. Someone asked me today, like, what's my biggest issue, and it's oversizing. Oversizing and pretty much over trading, but oversizing, getting over leveraged. Like I did there, 3 minis. But this is an eval. I'm trying to get it passed quickly, but I mean, I don't want to blow it, but I'd like to get it passed. But yeah, it's usually what I average. But like if you take, say you take this Harami break right here, say at 10:50 a.m. Say you took this long here, or the inside bar long, and your stop goes below here. So say you took that long, right? Now, if you know anything about like gaps or inefficiencies or whatever for like ICT or single prints, market profile theory, whatever, you know, you can look at this 5-minute chart and say, wow, we're kind of pushing up through there. Maybe we go and we fill some of these gaps. So you could kind of look and say and target like some of these gaps. So you can look left too, you know. So throughout the day, I'll kind of do that kind of stuff too. But yo, Zabak, what is up? Gary Wool in the house. The boo boo strain. Let's go. The boo boo strain. I don't think I've smoked that before. The boo boo. Is that a lot like Gorilla Glue? Kind of missed a short here. Damn. I missed it. Butch, yeah. It is a stand-up desk. Believe it or not, I am standing. I'm very short, but I know it looks like I'm sitting. Yeah, no, I'm standing up. Standing desk, and I would not trade it for the world. Ever since I went to the standing desks, I would not give it up. I love it. My back has been so much better since I've gotten a stand-up desk. Thanks, Butch. Appreciate that. Yeah, I missed this inside bar short. That's okay. Let's see if we would get a 1-to-1 off it. Let's paper trade it. Yep. We would have got the 1-to-1 at least. So like on this trade right here, this is obviously hindsight, but you know, you go for the 1-to-1, would have got it. You could have said, well, maybe we'll just target it down to the VWAP, maybe get it down here to the 70s, 68s, something like that. You know, you could maybe think about it that way if you're feeling like it could reverse, but you know. But on that, I would have probably looked for a little scalp, 1-to-1. Gold getting a little bounce off the VWAP. Everything's just kind of pushing up higher. ES doing ES things. It's a little bit slow. ES. Does anyone trade ES during the Globex Open? I mean, it is very slow. During Asia and stuff, you can probably get in the S&Ps, the ES, but during the Open, it's tough. I mean, Nasdaq's tough to even scalp, but you do Autumn 9, nice. You gotta have a lot of patience. Definitely doesn't fit my style. Indian Baron, I generally do ES during RTH, NQN. Yeah, same. Yeah, you gotta have a lot of patience. I mean, co-famous Boo Boo short play. Oh, Zabak, right? The Boo Boo short play. Huh, I thought I posted a Discord link in the chat. I did not yet. Oh, sweet. Terry posted that chart I made in the Discord. Or not I made, but I was sharing earlier. There you go. This is a Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Come hang out, talk markets, show you P&L, share pictures of food, share a photo of yourself. Thank you, Zabak. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, the market's. I felt good today. I felt good about trading. I traded this morning. I did not overtrade. I was in and out. I was done by like noontime. I was done. I ended up going to the gym, and then I was working on a garden bed outside. Laying mulch down and stuff, which is not my favorite thing to do, but had to get done. Oh no, your internet flubbed. That is scary when your internet messes up. Should have planted some pine trees. No kidding. Piotr. I always say Peter, but Piotr. I wish I knew how to pronounce your name. I'm gonna have to practice that. I know it's not Peter, but yeah. I literally have no P Daddy. All right. I literally have no pine trees on my property. Which is funny. They're all hardwoods. It's all oak trees, maples. Yeah, it's a giant hardwood ridge. How long does Take Profit Trader giveaway account typically stay active for? 2 months? On a giveaway account, it'll stay active until you blow it, but it'll charge you, I believe. So after the first month, it'll charge you. Your internet's been bad? You know, my phone internet's kind of been bad. Like when I'm out and about, the 5G, it's kind of been spotty. I don't know what's going on. Alright, continuing the grind higher. I wish I was stuck in that long, but scalper at heart. I try to get better at holding trades, but yo, gold pushing down, trying to push down through the VWAP. Putting in the old rainbow. Sasha, thanks so much for joining the Discord. Appreciate you. Awesome. Yeah, the Discord's building up. Some great members in here. Great tips and tricks. See if gold can stay below that VWAP. NASDAQ continuing to push higher. Your expiration says 2 months from activation. Oh, okay. That's probably the way it is. I don't really know. 100% PG. Usually my eval accounts don't last more than a week. They're either already gone or past. So, but yeah, a giveaway account, that does make sense. So yeah, maybe it does. Maybe you do get 2 months with it for a giveaway account. If you guys are interested in Take Profit Trader, use code PINE, get those daily payouts. Let's see what I got going on with Take Profit Trader. I got 2 accounts going with them right now. Has anyone noticed anything different with the Trade of 8 Pro, the prop yet? The only thing I've noticed is the risk setting is highlighted on the right side. It's the only thing I've noticed. So, Take Profit Trader, I got 2 of them passed. So I'm just waiting for them to be activated. I just have to flip them. Matter of fact, I'll flip them today. Let me make sure. Actually, yeah, I just gotta flip 1. So 89. Alright, just gotta flip this account. So this is how I flip for days. I have a flip thing here. I just flipped it. So that actually counted for traded day. You can see it's 100% winning trades. $1.50 in commission. I actually was in 3 micros there. That was a little dumb. Thought I was in 1 micro, but yeah, that's how I flip. So 1 second trade, but that counts as a traded day on that account. So yeah, get those daily payouts, guys. Take Profit Trader. Use code PINE, all caps. I appreciate it. When do I know when to trade your funded versus text accounts? So what I do in the morning is I start trading my funded accounts, and then I move to evals. So like during the New York Open, Echo Trader. And then during this session, last night I screwed up my funded accounts bad, like trading this session. So I am not doing it again tonight. That was a bad start. So tonight I'm just trading these evals. Threw money off the bridge into the calls on MU expiring Friday. I lost more than I've seen in my life. Oh no, Scotty. So yeah, so I usually trade my funded accounts first, Echo Trader, in the morning, and then once I'm done that, I'll work on an eval. If I hit daily loss limit, you know, that's a good way. So I like to keep my daily loss limits around $600 to $800. Well, at least I try. And then I haven't been doing a very good job of that lately on funded accounts. And then if I hit that, then I'll go work on an eval. Oh no, Scotty G, you lost. Oh, that's crazy, Scott. Oh, you sold at 78 for 800 profit. And then bought it AMK open for the support level. 10-day chart making L before. Huh. Oh, you were up 800 and then. Okay, I got you. Hey, Tim Korth, what is up? Got another inside bar here. We are grinding to the upside. I really... Top of the hour here in 5 minutes, too. It's a tough call here to take a short. I mean, where we're just kind of grinding. I think I'll take it for the stream. Be a quick scalp. Could take the short long to short 2 off the inside bar. 78.25. Put a bracket up going on here. Let's see. Maybe look for a quick scalp. If we get it triggered in short or long. Top of the hour here in 3 minutes. Please do not follow this trade. Alright, we're triggered in short here. Don't love it, but it's because the market is just pushing higher. But we are at top of this resistance level here, so stop at the high. Oh, you lost $2,000 on a $19,000 account. So I'm pissed. Oh yeah. Sorry to hear that, man. Yeah. Just kept going. Yeah, it sounds like you were seeing it correctly. Just the emotions got to you, but so I looked at the market and just justified buying calls on MU and the same stock I had. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yo, Micron. What is up, John? 3. Oh, those old 250Ks. Yeah, that was from months ago, right? Let's go. 16 bucks. Yeah, right. I know he's still getting rich off those, John. I wish. Hey Bella, give me Bella, if you're listening, I want one of those 90% off promotions. Exclusive for Pine. With the lifetime, with the recurring lifetime. Oh, nice! You built it up from 8K to 19K. That's awesome. Doubled it. You get fixed into the trade areas. I know. You really do. You get stuck in a bias, and it can be very dangerous. I know I was stuck in a bias the other day. Almost got our TP there. Come on. Don't do me dirty like that. Come on, get down there. Guys, smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. I appreciate it. If MU does 188 by Friday, you profit too. Let's go. Give me 73 and a quarter. Technically 73-75 is like the 1-to-1, but come on, really? Do you like TradingView? I run a few hours on. Oh, nice, John. I've never used TradingView. People love it for charting and stuff, but I'm new to Trade8. When you clicked on sell market, how did you set it up to have the stop loss and take profit already? Yeah, so on the bottom of the or on the chart, you can set up ATM strategies. So you could just click the wheel here, and then you can set up strategies. We just got take profit on that. Up 421. So off that inside bar, nice. Every inside bar has worked tonight so far, so very sweet. Up 421. Anyways, back to that. So anyways, yeah, you just set up ATM strategies right here. So the brackets. And so you can set it up by ticks or money value or a price, and then you name it and whatever. And I use the DOM, so it's actually on the bottom, which you can't see because my mug is in the way, but yeah, it's on the bottom of this DOM here on the right side. Right now, bid ask. Okay, honest question. T3 trading. Oh, I don't know anything about T3 trading. Let's go. Good old shot of bourbon. Let's go, Peter. Let's go. Or P Daddy. Pay 5,000, they give you 1,000. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't know anything about T3 trading. The prop shop, yeah. I've heard of them. I'm not. It's a little new for me. I mean, I have a few new ones that I'm affiliated with, like Lucid and Funding Ticks and Top One. But I haven't not heard of the prop shop yet. Or I haven't traded with the prop shop. Do I solely trade inside outside bars? No. No, I took a trade earlier that was kind of discretionary. So like this trade right here, I took as a little discretionary. We bounced off the VWAP. We put in this pretty bullish candle. We pulled back, and normally during New York, I would do like the little wick test bounce here. But I ended up hopping in a little bit early. I actually took like 0 drawdown and for the little pop. So yeah, I mean I do trade discretionary just from watching the screens, but I'd be better off just trading inside outside bars in Haramis. It'd keep me out of trouble more, but FSP advertising prop shop heavily today. Oh, must be. It could have an exclusive deal too. See if we get a bounce here off 70s. Lively in the chat tonight. Let's go. All right, NQ pushing down below the VWAP. Nice play off the inside bars there. If you feel in my heart, then do it. I do sometimes, but no, I'm good. I'm waiting for. I don't really like it right now. Let's wait for my little setup. I've already taken 3 trades tonight, which is a lot. try to get these trade days out of the red. Nice little start on the My Fun Futures scale plan. What's an inside bar? Basically, so the 5-minute inside bar is just how it sounds. It's the body and the wicks open and close within the body of the wicks of the previous candle and puts in an inside bar. That's the yellow bar right here. So it's just inside the previous bar. Basically, the theory is that it just creates indecision, or it just kind of builds up compression and indecision in the market. So like a doji candle or something would, and then I look for the breaks of it. So basically, I look for the bulls or the bears to give up on it after it battled out in that spot for a long time. That's kind of like the theory of it, right? Yo, Roa, what's up? What's going on? Yeah, been a while. What's happening? Do you trade with Top Step at all anymore? I haven't lately, Butch. No, I haven't lately. But I'm not opposed to it. Right now, this My Funded Future plan is actually cheaper and better. So, 5 days of $100 or more can still withdraw 50% or more. So I'm trying to work on these scale plans. A lot like Top Step. Yo, Cranston White. K Trader, I agree. Yeah, they're a little bit. They are expensive. It's over $200. But I still like them. It's just, I mean, they're a reliable, reputable company. It's just, you know. So you can withdraw in your profit, but you risk. So you risk the account and you're withdrawing 50%. Echo Trader. So once you're over the buffer, you can actually withdraw 50% of your whole account, but you kill the account. Trade day, you can actually do that too, and you won't lose the account, I believe. Something like that. You can withdraw into the buffer. I don't exactly remember. I made a video on it once, but I already forgot. Go figure. Yeah, so the Cave Trader, yeah, the My Funded Futures core account, the scaling with the micros is a little bit weird too. This is NQ, yeah. So yeah, this whole chart's in Central Time. Central Standard Time. 6 o'clock, 6:10. 6:10 candle right now. Buellanox back to 80% off. Yes. You use code PIME for Buellanox. I appreciate it. Wealth charts, I believe. Now, I heard that wealth charts for Apex is 90% off. Is that correct? John. Hey, he's a mod. Thank you, John. I was wondering, I'm like, well, other firms have scaling rules. How's it? Hey, Investstars, what is up? It's all good, John. Yeah. No, hey, I hear you. Need the NQ to drop 30K tonight. Now we're tired. Let's go. NQ is pushing down. It is pushing down right now. No setup at the moment. 6:15 Central Time, 7:15 Eastern Time. I was kind of hoping I'd have some accounts to give away. I don't. Let's see. It's all good, John. Hey, I mean, what's up, Fishless? What's up, Josh? What's up, Echo? Oh, I already said hi, Echo. Hey, Solo Trader. What's up? Stacks in the house. Didn't pull the trigger. You're too busy in an argument. Yeah. Nice, beautiful top there. Boy, I was scared to take that short too. I didn't think it would actually roll over down into here though. So, it's something I kind of missed talking about. So interesting. So on NQ today, we came down. We filled that open gap, almost by the tick, and then bounced. So it's hard to see with the VWAP. But remember the open gap from Sunday night? We came down, we pushed up, we had the gap at the open, and it left that small gap, and then it never looked back, right? And it grinded up all Monday, and then today it pushed down, and when it did, it came and it filled that gap right down here at 893 to like 84 or so, and then literally filled it and then bounced, and then kind of went up sideways. So oh, nice, John. Was up 300 from blowing and ended up crushing it. Let's go. Trading was have been roughly hoping when government shutdown ends. Yeah, so I find that the government shutdown since that it's been a little bit tricky to trade around the open. Definitely starts out like very, very choppy, and then kind of picks a direction, which is perfectly fine. But and you can see right here yesterday open too. I mean, it pushed down and then it just kind of did this very choppy action on the 5-minute, just back and forth, barcoding, a lot of wicks. Same thing today. First inside bar has not worked this week. So the little systematic trade has not worked. First ban. Well, if you're gonna get in an argument with someone in the chat, you don't want to get in an argument with a mod. Right? That's first rule of first rule of chatting. I only argue with the mods. First rule of the Pine Club. Don't talk about Pine Club. Guys, smash that like button. I appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. Well, it was one of those nights I was just like, oh, really didn't want to go stream, but now that I'm here, I'm happy I'm here. You've been banned by PW several times? Yeah. Me too, actually. I got banned by Patrick Whelan too. Back in the Nutty Bar days, all I did was ask him if he paid Nutty that money or whatever. Remember that? Like, he donated to Nutty Bar or something like that. Remember that? And I asked him if he paid Nutty, and he just insta-banned me. But, yeah. I got $800. Yeah. PW, yeah, I like D Money too, yeah. D Money's a good dude. I don't know many people that would openly brag about coming up in a boiler room. All right, we continue to push down here. 25,043.75. Take a look at gold. Gold, what's gold doing? It's continuing to grind higher. Pretty much just making new all-time highs on gold. 4,015, absolutely insane. NASDAQ continuing to push down. ES as well, push it down. Taking a look at book map here. Pretty light on the book map. Got the 32 lot sitting at 25,100. Besides that, it's looking pretty light. Do we even need to? I know, just keeps going up, right? What's up, Red? Pine turning into Hugo? Who's Hugo? Hugo. Oh, by pointing at the thing? I need one of those touch screens. Gold slope grind up towards R1 pivot. Might reverse at the Asian, might not. Oh, okay, yes. SK. Right? Yeah, SK. No, if I was him, I'd be like, hey, short gold. And then second later, gold's going up. Did you guys get that? Did you guys get that? Did you guys make money? As it's going up. It went down 2 ticks. Entertaining though, for sure. I mean, a lot of experience in the markets, so I'm not gonna. How'd you not get that? Oh, last night was entertaining because he was yelling at his one of his workers or whatever that they kept losing internet. Boy, the market is just one time framing down at the moment. He was yelling at one of his workers, and it was funny. Oh, come on. I was going to try to get in this gold short. Come on. Tag me in. Tag me in. Put me in, coach. Oh, no. Oh. Alright, I missed it. I was looking for that gold short at the inside bar. I kind of missed it there. I need a little ding for the indicator, especially when I'm streaming. Of course, I had it pulled up on the other screen, and then I was messing around the Discord, so then I had that up on the other screen. But full port long, let's go, JC Trades. Hugo the punching bag. What's up, Brian? Well, Red, so here's the thing with the tournament that I wish was going on is I mean, Matt, Rocket Man Matt, he ended up blowing up today, and he reset, which is fine. You're allowed one reset, but people can join in all up until like Friday. Basically, you can join. So I wish it was I wish you got in early, and so there was a date like Sunday night. No more entries after Sunday night, and then after that you could have a few one reset each, and then that would have been it. That would have been good. But now people can sign up and keep going. And then, yeah. So, we had someone in the chat earlier that was in 19th place, which is very good. So, you're doing very good too, Red. I think you're actually leading me now. I'm down. I slipped to 12K. I'm at 12K right now. Total profit. Nice little pull on the 5-minute chart. Nasdaq trying to bounce here at 25,036.75. Yeah, you must have caught that nice short. Did you catch that short this morning? Yeah, nice short. Yeah, I know. I missed it. Skylit. I missed it. It started to push, and then I put an order to hoping that I would get filled on the break, but I didn't want to chase it. And yeah, nice little 1-to-1. Maybe could get more down below the VWAP here. It could actually roll over. We'll see though. 30 minutes for Tokyo Open. Yo, Tory Trade's husband, what is up? So he's gonna get first. Damn, he did. Yeah. We'll see if he can hold it. He's been trading a long time. It is possible. Red, you know the trick, right? Do you know the trade of 8 trick? Do you trade on trade of 8 on that tournament? I probably shouldn't say nothing, but you know how to over leverage, right? PWs? No. Yeah, they're not. So on the tournament, you guys know that you can go in on more than you can go micros and minis, and you can go in on gold and everything else all at the same time. You guys know that, right? Fred knows. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, there's a glitch. Yeah, there's definitely a glitch. I mean, you can blow up even faster too, but smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. That's right. I haven't seen Trevor LeConte. He hasn't come in my chat. We got a lot of people from the DGen crew, but no Trevor LeConte. All right, outside bar here on NQ. Looking could bounce here. A little break of 51. A little scalp up to the VWAP just before Tokyo Open. Kind of looks like not a bad play. I might take it on my... Gold trying to bounce above the VWAP again. No surprise. Trevor smoking with Tiger? Yeah. Yeah, Discipline Trader for sure. Yeah, I know all you guys. Yeah, I've been following Jay for... Jeez. Probably since just over 1,000 subs, 1,500 subs or so. I like Jay. I stood him up in Vegas, so that's my claim to fame. I went to Vegas, 0 day, invited me to go out and get some sushi. And I went to a magic show instead. I had plans to go to a magic show and stood him up. And he never let me live. He hasn't let me live it down yet. Good dude. F Gold, yeah, Design. I know, I hear you. Design hates gold. One of the first comp platforms, CME, called Fast fill, when you click the mouse to put an order, it would lag fill in the order. If you click fast enough, you could over leverage. Oh, really? Yeah, that's the way Tradeovate is right now. Level 2, does sometimes the exit button doesn't work for you? No, it's not normal. You have good internet, I'm assuming. All right, I might take a stab long here in this account. All right, I'm long. Stop at the low. You love gold. Yeah, no, the exit button should work instantly. Oof, just kind of swept that high there. I like the break of this outside bar even better. Hopefully we break to the upside now. I'm long off this inside bar. These outside bars are very powerful, but what happens is that the stops are usually pretty large because it's an engulfing candle. I get completely trapped. Just full trap right here. Maybe we'll get a little lucky, see if we can hold that 36.50, but I don't feel like it. You're loving silver? Silver's insane. This is silver chart right now. Very over leveraged. If you go in with minis with silver, it's a wild ride. But yeah. If I get stopped out on this account right here, this will be it for these accounts. I do not want to dig myself a big hole with these. These are trade day accounts. Boy, I struggle passing those trade day accounts. Go figure, I'm in that affiliate cup with trade day. Which just says I'm not very consistent, right? Not as consistent as what I want to be. Because you got to be consistent to pass those trade day accounts. It's almost like it's almost like getting a funded account. 30% consistency, 5 days. Not easy. It's great when you get funded with trade day, especially when you have the end of day accounts and send those puppies. You can send them on day one and get, you know, get a day one payout once for the end of day accounts. It's don't have to worry about that intraday trailing. But all right, holding that low so far, getting a little lucky. The Tradeify Lightnings, yeah, Kevin. I haven't traded with Tradeify in a hot minute. I gotta get some more accounts. My trading buddy's trading with Tradeifys. Yeah, it's been a minute. I don't know. I've been focused on trade day, take profit trader, Belanox, and my funded futures lately. Let's go, Kevin. Yeah, that's the Top Step stuff. Yeah, great company. So yeah, if you guys use Tradeify, use my code PINE. I appreciate it. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, stopped out. I kind of want to reverse my position, but man. Off this outside bar here, kind of get pushed down into this wick. Another outside bar here. Pretty trappy. So usually when I have two outside bars like this, I like to see the first one finish out at least 1-1 before, you know, you get any other ones to take those other ones. Because technically if you take this outside bar here, you stop and go up here 50-50. But it'll be interesting if we do pop this to the long side and push up towards the VWAP. But market overall looking pretty weak. This was a pretty big push down. How my Funded Futures accounts doing? They're right here, Ethan. So I got this funded pro account up to $3,300. I passed another one today, and I'm working on a scale plan. But the ones that I was on last night, some of those cores, they got demolished after I get off stream. Yeah. So, but yeah. Yeah, we're pushing lower. Oh well, I'm not gonna chase it. Nice trade, Fred, on the short. But yeah, so I'm looking at the pro account. Yeah, the pro account is in payment status. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm looking to take one live. I'm looking to build one up, take it live. So we'll see what I can do with it. Alright, getting a little bounce there. There would be the 1-1 off that outside bar. Could try to re-enter short here. But we are might try to enter short at 37. This might be a mistake, but short at 42, nice. You just pass one yourself during the. Oh, let's go, Ethan. Shorting where there's a lot of support. Shouldn't you wait, see what it does? So I'm supporting on the thinking that this outside bar never finished a 1-1. Now it doesn't have to, but yeah, you could actually be right. I mean, we could just reverse here, put in a harami. If we do, then I'll get stopped out. But so basically, this would have been my original entry. Risking 250, 275. So I'm up 400 on this account. Risk 275. See if we can actually break down to the low, break through the low here. But nice bounce here, right at, like Ethan says, right at support. But it's looking a little dumpy. We could just pop right up, go right up back to the VWAP too. So new 15-minute candle as well, about 30 seconds. What's up, Toy? Want a bar if you didn't take the short? Yeah, I know. All right, pushing up here, 241. Oh, I put in the Harami here. I might actually get out of this. I'm out. So I lost $100 on that. So put in a Harami here. We could pop up. This tends to be a reversal candle. So it might not work today, but we did get a little bit of spike in volume. So that's something I look for during the Haramis, is the spike. Very small. But you can see the little spike here. So we'll see what happens though. I might have just paper handed it. So up 300 on this, down 260 on those. On the trade days. And up 300 on the My Funded Futures. But I wouldn't be a bit surprised they don't pop up towards that VWAP before the Tokyo opens. I can't really stay late tonight. Gotta go get some food. But we'll stay on for another 10 minutes or so. 15 minutes. Alright, getting the pop off the Harami. What's for dinner? I don't know. Maybe Chick-fil-A, Subway. Something like that. Maybe tacos. Thank you, Ethan. Yeah, I just kind of made that call to get out. I mean, my stop would have been up here, so it'll be interesting to see if we actually do technically stop me out. But yeah, when I start to see another setup come into play, so I got like 4 of my setups all in the play right here, so it's like which one is gonna battle it out. Don't know. Maybe tacos. June burgers. I had burgers yesterday. I do have burgers quite often. If you see an outside bar, inside bar, come one after another, I usually find it's better to just sit out and wait for the clear play. Hey, yeah. Nothing wrong with sitting on your hands and being patient if you don't feel that trade. Sometimes you just want those trades to just come to you. And then, like, those are the best trades, right? The ones that just come to you so fast. You're just like, oh, and you're like scrambling to sign into your accounts because you know it's just gonna like, and you just push the button and it just goes, right? Those are the best ones. In-N-Out Burger, nice, Rick Reed. He must be out in the West Coast. I had an In-N-Out Burger once in Las Vegas. It was good. Oh, yeah, John. For sure. Yeah. Bar Harbor. Or Bar Harbor, we call it. Yeah, I mean, lobster rolls, lobsters, the best. Arizona, nice. Let's do it quick. Where's everyone from? Where's everyone from? If you're in witness protection, you don't have to say, but where's everyone? Rick Reed's from Arizona. You're from Chicago? 2 Chicagos. Let's go. Arizona. Oh, another Arizona. Michigan. Pennsylvania, level 2. Missouri, awesome. Ohio, Epstein Island, let's go. Florida, I get a lot of people from Florida, lots. You can actually check out your analytics, and you can see where people are from that tune in the most. DC, California, Deltona. Oh yeah, that's right. TJP. I always forget, but yeah, Deltona. My well, my uncle now. My grandparents had a house. My uncle owns it now, but my grandparents had a house in Deltona, Florida. Waycross Circle. I remember Waycross Circle. Queens, Jamaica. Let's go, 39 words. Jamaica. That's awesome. What time is it in Jamaica? California. You live in New York, but you're from Haiti. Let's go. From Chicago and live in Tijuana, Mexico. That sounds awesome. Tennessee, Mississippi, Toontown, USA. Virginia, Kansas, Brooklyn, another Arizona. That's in your old neighborhood, TJP? Let's go. We probably played basketball when I was a kid down there. I was on the courts. Yo, February break. Deltona. Every time I say Deltona, people go, yeah, I know where that is. I go, yeah, no, it's not Daytona, it's Deltona. Everyone always confuses it for Daytona. Miami, let's go, Stephanie. I have never been to Miami. I want to go to Miami. I was just in St. Pompano Beach. I haven't been to Miami yet. From California and live in Colombia. That's interesting, Sal. That's cool. Thanks, guys, for sharing. That's fun. Every once in a while, I like to find out where everyone's from. That's pretty cool. TCG Andy's from the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We know that. Winning free accounts in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. All right, go. Nasdaq's sitting here, just consolidating here. I did paper hand that trade. Wow. Gold all-time highs once again. 4,017. 4,018. Nice bull flag break off these inside bars. Beautiful. Did you go up to Hillsborough Mile to Deerfield Beach Pier? Maybe. That might have been the pier. I went to some pier. I walked to it. I was actually live streaming, John. You probably missed it, but yeah, I was on my cell phone live streaming it from the pier. I erased it, but because the quality wasn't the greatest. But I was hanging out with you guys for a little bit. Godson, what's going on? What is the inside bar indicator I'm using? Yeah, it's LDT inside outside bars on Trade of 8. $50 million homes, yeah. Crazy. Well, I was staying right on the beach, and yeah. So if you went down towards the one of those, I don't know, it was along the water, but massive yachts, Saw the stream, shirtless Pine flexing again after the pump. No, Fred. I gotta lose some, I gotta cut. I gotta do some cutting. It's bad. The nutty bars don't help. Eating the nutty bars do not help. Owner of one of those homes is a London bond trader. Yeah, north of Pompano. Yep. Yeah, I went up through there. I think on a drive. Gold pushing up higher. Yeah, just massive yachts. Just absolutely insane. So I kind of paper handed this trade now. Now it's looking a little bit better. Should have just stuck with my stop loss and done it, but that's okay. Nutty's on a juice fast right now. I saw that. Yeah, the master cleanse, right? I don't know. That's incredible to do that. The only time I had to fast was for a colonoscopy, and I didn't like that. Even that sucks, but it is. They say it's good for you. So here's my analytics for geography. People from California dominating, and then Florida, Texas, New York, North Carolina, Georgia, Illinois, New Jersey, Arizona, Pennsylvania. But let's do the lifetime. That was the last 28 days. Yeah, California and Florida, Texas. For my demographics. Let's see how old you guys are. 2.2% female. Thank you so much, ladies, for hanging out. 97.8% male. And then mostly my age. This is my age range right here, 35 to 44. No surprise. Couple young bucks hanging out. 0%. No young girls. Just all young dudes. And the 65 plus. No old ladies either like me. 0%. 0%. Market should dump now. It could. It's kind of consolidating here. It's right at that point this afternoon. The afternoon chop. That's right where it is. So it's very choppy in through here. Did I see gold? Yeah. Right back to all-time highs. 4,018. Crazy, isn't it? Take note. Absolutely insane. Gold will give you a free colonoscopy. You ain't lying. That's what happened to me last night, Design, on stream. That's what got me. Was gold. At first, and then I took that account away, and then I made a beautiful gold trade last night. We caught the 4,000 move. So it was this trade right here. We got in right here. Yeah, right. Got in right here, 650, and rode it up to all-time highs. We actually stayed on a little bit later last night. So yeah, we got in this 6:50 p.m. and yeah, got it up in here. Took out that 4,000. It's a great trade. So down 260, up 300 on my funded, down 260 on the trade days. If you guys are interested in the trade day, please use code PINE with a capital P for trade day. I really appreciate it, guys. Smash that like button as well. Yeah, gold's just taking off. It doesn't really make much sense why gold and NASDAQ are all at all-time highs, or the whole market, but I mean, usually it's a hedge against one another, but yeah, it's a crazy market we're in for sure. Dean, you're in the old man club. It's all good. I'm getting there too. Yeah, Willie C. Yeah, for sure. There's the drop on NQ. See, why'd you guys convince me to paper hand that? It's all good. We'll get it. We'll get it. Rate it unchanged at the moment. Alright guys, I'm going to call it there tonight. I will be back tomorrow for sure. Thank you so much. Please sub if you haven't subbed. We're almost at 4,000 subs. So appreciate the support. And smash that like button on your way out. Good stream. Decent trades. Pretty happy the way I was seeing it, but not all green. Join the Discord. It's on the top of the chat if you guys want to join the Discord. It's free. And what else I want to say? Oh yeah, use code PINE. Don't forget to use code PINE. If you guys are trading with Apex, Bulenox, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. You guys know the deal. Trade Day, Lucid, Funding Ticks, Top One. Use code PINE. You get one of those accounts, you want the discount, just think code PINE. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out. And Brady says tacos. Not a bad. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. So stay tuned for the outro. If you guys want to catch my cool songs. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building.
Thanks,
the
guys.
trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my